Hi guys, Clem here from the online flooring store again with a little product highlight on two of our favourite vinyl products. We've got our exclusive Desire and Desire XL vinyl planks, which are the sister products to our Inspire and Inspire XL hybrid products. So the Desire is a 1.2 metre long narrow board and Desire XL is a 1.5 metre long wide board. Both of them are 4.5 millimetres thick. Fantastic products that are great value for money, great colours in both ranges. Both of these colours have done very, very well for us in the past. So if you're looking for a vinyl plank, you can glue this down in your home, fire and forget, good to go. So any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at onlineflooringstore.com.au. You're welcome to call us, you're welcome to send us an email. I'll come back to you either way and I'm more than happy to chat. And as always, take care.